Biaxial symmetrical art. We have done with the line tool. We have started with the line tool, not like done with line tool. We started with the freehand tool. Any question of previous session? You can ask, then you can proceed further. Is there any doubt or anything? So maintain an Excel sheet. Just I'll scribble an Excel so we can follow this. Serial number, date, topic, example, tips and tricks, okay, hotkeys, task. So these things we are providing. So let us make a Excel. It's not a new thing I'm speaking. You might be knowing all this. Then it can save our time, and you can understood on which day what happened. So when your class started and on which day what is done, let us maintain this. It may help us doing the things in a different manner. So that is what my goal. So maintain the before record. Now we'll maintain it from here onwards. So just I get Excel to form, but it is your turn to maintain this. So in the last class, we have learned about the tool, freehand tool, right? And in the middle, you can able to inject more cells here. So start using Excel. It is a professional in the studio. Everyone maintain this, so you can get extra cells to be inject and note down more. Fine. If you know, it's better. If not, just maintain this notepad only. So both of them are on your screen. So hope it could be maintained. Very slow. Even it is a little strain, then let us know. We'll go for clarity. Fine. So let's start with the tool. Name of the tool, freehand. Method of working, tips and tricks, everything is known. Hope how to draw a line, two ways to draw the line, click and click, and the second way, draw it. And the third way, hold the shift to get delete the thing. So draw it up, delete it up. Draw freehand and hold the shift and get a straight line also. So these are things what we have learned in the last session. And we got to know a special thing in the last session, how to duplicate a object in CorelDRAW. How to duplicate an object in CorelDRAW? The fastest method is what? You can check
button.
on this section. What is the keyboard shortcut to make a duplicate Corel? Yes, very nice. Vidya. That is so which plus button? It's your num key plus button, right? Not main keyboard plus. Okay, yeah, you're right. So hope the duplicate is known. And the other way to get duplicate on screen, you can find it here. You can get copied it and paste it up here. And the next thing we got to know what is called origin point. Am I right? This is called origin, object origin. You can change the object origin to the next point and get the object to flip up, flip horizontal, right? So hope this much of things we have learned in the last session and we have refreshed all these things because we'll be revolving around the lines only. The more we know about the lines, the much more better output we can able to get. And the next we have seen the symmetrical and biaxial also. Now we'll switch to the topic called line details. So a line object does have a stroke and the other one is fill. So the stroke details, the topic, stroke detail. In any software like Illustrator, CorelDRAW, anything, if a line is there, then line does have a property. If the property is there, it could be changed. The first property of the line is the thickness of the line. So let us make more points. So what is the first property of the line? Is thickness. Then color, then style. So these are the properties of a line. So let us see how to change it up. The option bar is there to change the thickness here. Click over there and get it changed. So hope we got to know how to change the thickness of the line. Now the next, the other way to get the thickness to change, switching into a special window that is called stroke window. In CorelDRAW, all the things are there in the name called Docker. So they use a name called Docker. Okay, note it down. In Windows, most of the time we are calling this as a window, but here it is called Docker. Inside the Windows menu, the Docker are there. Here we can find the different properties what could be used up. So inside this, one of the properties is called properties. Check the keyboard shortcut, Alt Enter, note it down, Alt Enter. Example of the day or hotkey of the day, Alt plus Enter. Very simple software it is. Enough job is there. One software is enough to make your career. So that much of depth software it is. Anywhere you go into the market, CorelDRAW artists are always in demand. DTP center to publishing house. In one software, you can make the career. I'm not telling like don't learn other software, learn it up. But the goal of speaking, one software is very clear, then your job is secured. The extra software are the extra strength. It may be Photoshop, it may be CorelDRAW, it may be anything. Right. So what is the next thing we got to know? Property window, where it is inside the Windows menu in the name called Docker and properties, Alt Enter. So note down what it is. This is Alt key for properties. Am I right? No? Properties. Where it is? Inside the window. And
Docker.
then after?
Docker.
Docker
Properties.
and properties. Okay. So this is also a place where the stroke property can be changed. Check to the screen. This is the first like button which controls the stroke. And yes, one more thing here we got to know. Here the stroke is technically called as outline. So outline can be changed. The new technical terms you got to know about the stroke is called outline. Outline. And the outline thickness could be changed over here also. So hope we got to know how to change the thickness of a line. The next property, note it down. F, as if like we got to know, CorelDRAW revolves around the functional keys. And we have already learned one of the functional keys that is called what? F5 for
F5
freehand tool.
tool.
The next is F12, note down. The next hotkey we have introduced today. Very nice bonus. So I'll download it up. You have done some design, right?
Yes, sir.
So note down here, the next hotkey of the day. What is that? F12 for what? Outline. Outline Docker. So this is a hotkey to get remember. Often we'll be changing the things. So 12. Now here, which of the stroke we have selected that could be changed by F12 and get it changed. So hope we got to know how to change a thickness itself. 3 windows pop up. Directly it can be done on the option bar. Yes, we can able to close it up also here. And we can open a special window for it just by hitting F12, only controlling the I. Take it. Take it. Now, the F12 button is to help us to change the stroke and its color too. But we'll start with the basic things here inside the option where we can change it up. Now, next, the line is consist of some dots and some in between lines. So the dots are technically called as point in Corel. We'll be talking about how to change the point, but for the timing, we got to know how to make the thickness to be get changed. Let us go to the second property of the line. What is the second property? Color, right? The color of the line could be changed again in 2 different ways. Catch to the screen. On the right side, you can find a color palette. Here, we need to go for right click rather than click. Click will not change your color. What to do? Give a right click. Note down this. Fastest way to change the color. How to change the color? Tips and tricks. Select the object. How to select the object? By which tool?
Enter.
Right?
Button.
Then right click on the color ducker. Color ducker is there in the right side. Select the object and right click on the color ducker. So it is the fastest way to get the color change. Hope it is clear. Now the same window F12 is also there to help you out to change the color of your choice. Now got to know how to change the color in 2 different manner in CorelDRAW. One inside the ducker, which is there in the right side of your user interface. Second one is F12 button. So hope F12 button and Alt Enter also can able to help us to change the color. So let us see. The thing we have learned is called Alt Enter button. It pop up the window. Here also you can able to change the color. So the selected object has changed the color. Is it okay? We are not drawing anything. So only the base part we are talking. If anywhere it is a little heavier, let me make notice so that I'll get it slow. Now, the next keyboard shortcut. If any object is there on your screen, then hit the button F4. What is the button? F4. It will fit the objects on the screen. So the next hotkey of the day, what is that? F4. What it does, it makes fit to window, fit to window. Already you have learned about which button? F5. What is that? Freehand tool. And the next hotkey you have already learned. What is that? Pick tool.
Alt Enter.
And what is the hotkey? Space bar. Pick tool. Is it okay? So beside, we are just writing the keyboard shortcuts, but just make a good note of it. Just have taken an initiative, but you can do much more better than this. So now we have came across the F12 button and F4 button. Now, next button, F3, down, 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 like zoom out. In Adobe, you're just hitting Control plus, plus, plus. Here doesn't require. So what is the next hotkey we have learned now? F3. Zoom out. Is it clear? Everything written. Nothing to get worried. Just watch to the note or the video and to practice. Zoom out. So hope we can see it is zoom outing. And F4, fit to the window. Is it clear? Hope it is done. Now, one more keyboard shortcut. F9, presentation. What is this? F9. Full screen. There you cannot do anything, just to give the presentation. F9, not F6. So how many functional keys we have understood till now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it okay? The basic keyboard shortcut in CorelDRAW. So make a printout, stick out on your table, then that makes the job easier. F4, fit to the window. F5, down, F4. Only the reaction is happening on your screen. Action is clearly noted over here. So note down this and do the action. Just we have learned how to draw a simple line and change the color and change the thickness. That's it up. Before we have tried something to make a symmetrical and biaxial design, but we have not learned more. Just a minute. Let's see. What is the name, Manoj? You send the file, no?
Symmetrical, sir. Shapes that PDF.
Symmetric form, right?
Is there song down?
So it's a PDF. Okay. So you can make the task and send us the PDF or the Corel file, doesn't matter. But yes, try to send out. Okay, this is output what we have got from previous session. Yes, nice. It is a symmetrical design. And this shape, how it has been done, that's okay. But yes, we can make a more simplified format also. Yes, it's a symmetrical format of design done in Corel. And the tools used, maybe the line. Nice then. Okay, Manoj. So now we'll be moving to next introduction about the same line. We are revolving around the line only. How to change the properties. Now we'll see the style and profile. Beside to the thickness, we can find a style over here and we can switch it up. Line style. From the complete fill, we can switch to the dashed line. Is it okay? So now we have switched from the normal line to the style. It can be done by the F12 button. Outline pen window. Here you can have to switch to the style. Now the next, a lot of property are there, like arrowhead is there here also, except that, yes, there are few extra options over here, which can be changed inside the outline property, but often used is this. So let us start making a little artistical work. Hope the theory are clear. Any theory, is it okay? And you can chart in the middle also, if anywhere it gets stuck. Now, get a straight line by which button? Shift button. Holding the shift, working with the freehand tool. Make a straight line. Change the thickness by the help of your F12 button or in the option bar. Now add the arrowhead over here. So this is so simple software, making the arrowhead becomes much more easier. Now the same line, how to duplicate? Get a plus button, make a duplicate drag it down. By holding the shift by the pick tool, we can move down exactly. Now here the F12 button is there. Yes. The position and the attributes can be changed over here. Here only you can able to change whatever it has been given, but here more action can be done. So now the action part is here, attributes. There are a few things mentioned over here. We can make the length to be get changed, or the properties can be controlled over here also. So hope we got to know how to make the arrowhead and how to customize that by clicking over here by attributes. And we can customize the length, width proportionately or proportionately, and offset, like we want to move it from the baseline, how much, that also can be done up. So offset is the next property. From the edge, how much you want to move further, that is offsetting. So now we got to know how to customize the arrowhead by the F12 button. In general, it is not there here. This is a point which is in hidden mode. Take the maximum profit of it. So it can be customized to the 0. So exactly to the edge. Further, we want to proceed further, then you can do it up, or else doesn't require. So hope we have understood how to customize this and get it reset once more and go to the 0 action. Is it clear? Let's go for OK. So line, dash line, arrowhead line, customizing arrow, swapping the arrow are the property of the line. So we can get arrow to be cut also. And yes, we can switch to this by the F12, right? And get it change the position over here by the attributes. Attributes, right? Mirroring also can be done here. Mirroring means facing the arrow towards the, like tail. Vertically, that it is symmetric, so don't find anything over here. So hope we have understood now how F12 can able to help us more than the present option bar. Is it clear? Now the next, getting it down. The button we have learned today, Alt Enter, or the option is Windows Properties, Alt Enter. Here also a lot of options can be changed. Hope this is also clear to use. Either you can able to change in outline window or else inside the properties window. In both the way, the action remain the same. Now, only line tool and its detail going on. So have the patience and get it on your command. Now the next keyboard shortcut is Z to get only zoom out certain part of the screen. And here, yes, we can find a difference in between them. Projector and line cap is working something. It's just have a try with this projected line. So what you can see from the edge, it is projecting outside. So you can find the difference over here. Sometimes we need the thickness to go outside. So at that time you can go for projected line, extended cap and round cap. Is it done? So hope we find how to make the edge to turn into a round shape just by the basic property. Only one basic property, and give the thickness more and make a curvical structure. So line cap again of two types. They are like by default one is there, that is square, but extra two are there. One is rounded and it is extended. Rounded, extended. And it will go from the edge to the extra outside. But if you need to go for cut to cut, then go for square. So round and extended is next two property of the line we got to know. Is it okay? So let us make some more information to note down here. Because what happens, like only in one tool we find this many informations. So it is to be get note up. So what is the next property you got to here inside the line? Line cap. Because the professionals make the difference here, which is not visible on the front end. Line cap is again of three types. What are those? Square, round, extension.
Extended.
Square, round, extension. So we are not hurry. Just we are learning the property of a line. On that base, we'll be learning the lot. Hope it is done. So how to close this window? What is the keyboard shortcut to close the property window? Chat me up. Alt,
Alt enter.
enter. Alt, enter.
Enter.
Alt plus, it is there in your chat box also. Alt enter to get Alt plus enter. So this is expected because this is only one thing we have learned in this 20 minutes. Alt enter and F12. Only these two box has to be very clear. So that's what we are trying now. Over to that, the whole building will be found. So fit to the window. What is the command? F4. What is the command to fit to the window? F4. Selected object also will come into the screen. Now, how to zoom out?
F3.
Hotkey? F3. 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 F4. Fit to them. So hope we have understood now how to make the screen to be under your control first. F4, F3. Z is a new hotkey you got to know to zoom out a particular zone. Note down. Hotkey of the day. Z. For what? Zoom tool. It's clear? Next. To move it up, yes. Hit the button H, hand tool. These two tools will help always to make, in every software this is common. H for hand tool. F4, fit to the window. What is the summary till now? What we have learned? How to make a straight line and what are the properties of a line. And out of that we got to know one is thickness, color, style, arrowhead, and line cap. Am I right? No? Line cap. So let us use this and make a design. Have the passes. Only line you need to use and make the output. How to form a line? What is the tool? F5. Make a straight line by holding the shift and click. Now, get the line thickness change. How to change the thickness of your line? What is the hotkey? F12.
Sure.
Increase the line by feeding that number. So F12, 12, 15. So hope we are understanding how does a simple command is helping us. I've shown you manually and professionally too. To get it more, either you type here or else hit the F2, F12 button and hit the tab button, come to the below and feed your number, get the size ready. Same line. Have a duplicate of it. Yes. Get it onto the top. So hope you got to know how to extend it. Select this below line and switch to the F12 and get it a round cap. Job is done. Can you able to see what happened on your screen? One side round cap. Switch to the screen. Get the line to be duplicate. How to duplicate the line? Copy paste. You can make the line to get smaller and get the line to get wider. So hope we have understood how does the shape is designed with the line only. Is it clear? And get these two lines to switch to 80%. Make a flash. Is it clear? And you can do much more better than this. Only the arrangement of the line. Now the next property. Let us make, so we have learned a lot of theoretical thing. Switch to the practical part. Okay. Step number 1. Okay. Now we are into the exercise part. What happened on the screen? Let us see. There are 3 lines, one above to the other. What we have done, we have just tried one line, but we know like the round cap happens to both the side, but on the top side, we don't need this. That's why what we have done, we have duplicated this, copy and pasted. And we have moved to the top a little. And here, we don't need this round cap. We need only square cap. So how to make a round cap to square cap? By F12 button.
F12.
Or else the Windows Docker
Alt enter.
properties. And here we have seen this is square cap. Job is done. Now this particular object can be duplicated once more. Copy and paste. Why we are doing this? To have a different thickness. And you can rise the thickness from 80 to 100. It has rise everywhere. You can get it smaller. So this job is done. Is it okay now? Hope everyone got this structure. And you can do a lot of experiment on this. So placing the things in an innovative manner. No big art is there on the screen. It's just arrangement. Hope the voice is reaching everyone. Does the voice okay?
Clear, sir.
Okay, sir.
Fine. So task of the day. Make different mathematical apparatus or like your scientific apparatus used in the laboratory. It is done very nice. Where it is going to help us, sir? This may be a question. And the answer is like, now different
Logos.
companies are preparing applications. Applications in the web applications, mobile applications. They need icons and symbols. It should be very minimalistic, simplified, and easy to catch the eye. No big design can be an icon in a mobile. So they're required to make the symbols very simple as possible. So this knowledge can able to help us there. So the task of the day, what is the task? Make icons with line tool, anything. So we cannot able to think fast and do, because you do have a limitation. Only one line we do have. On that line, what are the things can be done? This is what the task. Take a simple line and convert that into object. This field required this. So let us go to the same line. Just we have learned the line makes the object, and a line could be a box also. House. Change the thickness, turn into a box. How much the height? If you make that much of the thickness, then it turn into a square, right? So what you've seen now, line is not a line. It is a rectangle. It is a square too. Get a duplicate, raise the width to 500. So it turned into a rectangle, right? We are just learning line tool only. A line may be a box, maybe a structure, maybe a square, maybe a rectangle. Now the same line. So what is the task going on? How to create different symbols from the line tool. And here you can find on the option bar from the center, we can rotate the object too. So what you have seen now, the line could be a diamond shape. So a line is a line for public, for others. For you, line is a object. Hope you can able to understand what my emotions I'm putting on the structure. So line ki line ఎలాగా ఫిల్ చేస్తే ఇది మాత్రం అవుతుంది కానీ లైన్ మీద ఇవన్నీ ఉంటుంది మీ బ్రెయిన్ మీద రావాలి దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ది information I'm trying to pass out. So a line could be a square, a line could be a rectangle, a line could be a diamond, a lot. Why, sir, to make a diamond there is a tools? Why we are struggling to do this? Yes, there is profit on the later session. You can find, you can drag it up to any extension one side. So hope we have understood the task very clearly and get it up. Now start off taking the duplicate and get a duplicate at the same place by copy paste and turn that into normal degree. Now find a star inside the line. Am I right? Does it okay? Is it clear? What I've learned after like 15 years, I'm just passing it out. So initially, a line is just a line for me. And this line is amazing for the professionals. And they are using, but I can't able to do all these things. So to draw this, it should take a lot of tools to draw it up. Instantly they arrange it up because the aptitudes reasoning does matter over here. Fine. So what we have seen now, how to turn a line into a star, just two lines, one above to the other. Next thing, select this and switch this into white color. Hope we got to know what happened on this scale. Is it clear? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How to make a logo of a company? It could be any
Direction
color.
keys.
Is it done? Only the line. We're just rotating a simple line and changing the colors one above to the other. Make the symbols with the line. We are learning only one tool. What is the tool name? Free and line tool. Now exaggerating the things into the maximum level, that makes sense. In that angle, I'm working on it here. And every brain is creative. You can do wonders. Only just give it time and go into the flow. Understand the basic property and get it arranged. What is arranged over here? One property that is called rotation. Yesterday we have learned how to flip the line and what is called origin. Today we got to know in the option bar how to rotate a line. Is it clear? So now multiple arrangement and getting into the art is also possible. So let us switch to a radial art. Yes, in CorelDRAW, in a single file, we can arrange multi-pages. Can you able to see here? Just let us close this. On your screen, the file name is Untitled 2. Here the page number 1 is there. And beside to that, there is a small button. In Photoshop, it is missing. Photoshop doesn't contain multi-pages, but CorelDRAW contain multi-page, just one button. What happened? Here itself, we can have multiple files. No need to take a new document and save it up. In a single document, you can make multiple files and get it saved once and all the document gets saved. So what is the next thing we have learned? How to generate second page inside the document just by a click in the down of your user interface. So the next thing we have learned, what is that? How to create second piece in Corel. Why to do this? Because it will save your time to save the files rather than taking new file. Doesn't require. In a single file, you can do multiple pages. Now, here we have learned how to make the symbols. Now we'll move to the next page and get the same line to get arranged on your screen and get a duplicate by copy paste and switch to 90°. Hope it is clear. Is it okay? Select the line. Do again copy paste. Now write 45°. Then both the line is copied now. Now it will turn into 45 degrees. If this line turn into 45, here it will come. If this line 45, then here it will come. And that happens on your screen. Why it turn this way, that you got to know. Ardhamayinda idi? Is it clear? From a simple line, what can be done? We have seen how to make a radial art. Is it clear? Now select all the things by the pick tool, by dragging like this, get it copied and paste over and switch to the option. Before you have done how much? First you have done 90, then you have done 45. How much to be done here? Now the rotation to get exactly 50% of it.
By
We
2.
don't know. What is the number? I don't know. I'm poor in math. But it is clear that we need 45 degrees, 50%. Am I right? Because before
By
rotation is 45 degrees. So Corel is very clever. Just write down 45° divided by 2. And the software will erase that exactly in the middle. Is it clear? Is it okay, everyone? 45 by 2. Yes, Vishal, you are right. Absolutely. So hope we got to know what is the next thing we have learned today? How to make a radial art. How to make a radial art. This is a rule of design. We have just implemented that. Yesterday, we have learned 2 rules. What are those? Symmetric, biaxial, symmetric. Today, we got to know one more rule, that is called radial. Rules makes the design. What I have learned, that I'm implementing. Hope you can understand. If we are artistically strong, very nice. If not, put the rule. Now we have learned 3 rules. What are those? Symmetric, biaxial symmetric, and the next rule we got to know today, that is radial. What does radial speaks? Any objects, if duplicates are arranged in a regular interval of distance from a particular center point, it will turn into a design. Everything is recorded, the voice now. You can listen it once more. Name of the rule, radial. What is the definition? Any object's duplicate, if it is arranged from a particular center point with a regular interval of distance, it will turn into a design. Under this rule, a lot of designs are evolving. Example, rangoli, flower, anything if it is looking good, the reason behind it, this rule is working on the back end. What is the rule? Radial. The best example of radial art, what is that? Just now I've told, rangoli, flower. Why flower is beautiful? If this question to a layman, then the answer may come, flower is beautiful, that's why it is beautiful. But the same question, if it is provided to a technician or to you, the answer should be different. And the answer is because it is under the rule of radial. If something is looking good, then on the other end, knowingly or unknowingly, the rule is working. So now got to know 3 rules of designing. What we have been asked to collect from the net, fundamental rule of designing. types of design. When asked to get it connect, now you can connect it off. So examples, natural example, artificial example, definition, rule, and at the end, what we can able to do with this rule. That makes sense. So hope we have understood now how to make a radial art with the present knowledge. Select the line. And the next thing we have understood here, this software is very clever. If we all select how to deselect one line with the hotkeys, no hotkeys, like okay, shift and click, so we can deselect anyone. Hope Manoj, you got the answer. Now, what is the things we have learned here? A beautiful option we got to know in Corel. What is that? All input value box of Corel take the mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So hope this is a big thing we got to know. That makes the Corel 2 works in a bigger way. Not only Corel, any designing software does have this option, which is not there in compositing software. So I mean, like Photoshop doesn't have the input box addition, subtraction. But Corel does have options to make the mathematical operations, what we have seen here. Multiply by 2 or divide by 2, that all things are working up. So we have understood now how to make a radial art in Corel Draw. And here we have seen the thickness could be grown, but if you need to add the arrowhead, if the option is not visible over here, because it is not a line tool now, it is a pick tool, we can switch to F12 and get the arrowhead to add up. Hope it is done. Get it okay. Now you've got to know how to make a simple line. Then after yes, switch to F4. Get the design ready. Is it clear? How to make a radial art within very small click buttons. How to select all the things without dragging like this. Question over. Control A. Next hotkey of the day. Control A to select all. CTR. Very simple. This field is very easy, but it's required a systematic approach, right? Control A, select all. Select all. Chala simple. No more big qualification required. You are highly qualified people, then that is plus point. If not, also doesn't matter. Only observations, patience. But yes, one approach, slowly we need to approach the software. Once we got the things, then speed has to come up. Sometimes what happens, like brain speaks a lot of designs and system doesn't support because we are lack of the tools knowledge. At that time, it make a little struggle, what I have understood. But no need to get worried now. Start checking all these options and make the examples given inside the classroom. What are the examples we have learned today? Radial art. So get this Excel sheet to be very wider. Radial art, right? What more thing we have learned today? It does matter. Logo designing, icons design, examples given inside the classroom. And we are expecting the next day we'll be coming up with few more examples from your end. Just by using the line tool. No need to use any touch. Don't touch any tool. ఒక్క లైన్ టూల్ మీదే బ్రెయిన్ ఏమేమి చెప్తుంది అది చెక్ చేయండి అంతే. And a lot of magic is there in your brain. You can do wonders. But give a restriction. What I can able to do with the line. And once you are giving limitation, no, brain speaks a lot of. So you can see star, diamond, square, rectangle, logo, because everything is there in a line. Fine. Seal out art could be done. Hope we got a few informations. Meeting in the next session with the hierarchies. Is it okay? Any question you can want to ask me now? The summary of the class, we have not learned anything, just line tool and its property. The things we have learned today, line tool and its property. And yes, with that knowledge, we have tried to arrange something over here, but we have not learned big tools. Only line tool and a few helping tools we have introduced, zoom and pan, which helps to make things and yes, F4 which comes on and fit to the window. And we have seen how to take new pages here rather than creating a new line. So these are how easily you can able to make the radio art. So this is why Corel is in demand. So to get it, a lot of action to be done in other software, but just when the job is done, we need to have another line in the middle. What is to be done?
Praveen, can you please mute?
మళ్ళీ ఒక పాయింట్స్ ఇక్కడ రావాలంటే ఎంత తీసుకోవాలా? ఫస్ట్ టైం చేయాలా? కాపీ చేయండి, పేస్ట్ చేయండి. Here, how much we need to type? Before we have done 45 divided by 2. Now just 45 divided by 4. Is it okay? ఈ మెథడ్ అర్థమైందా?
Sir, say again,
Sir,
sir.
can you please repeat it again?
So hope we have understood the things.
No,
So
sir,
Excel.
say again.
Yes, I'll save this and I'll send you on the chat box so you can get a note of it. Savings. So let me close this. Hope this Excel is going to come on your chat box. And you can develop this two more. So I put in rare file. It is almost like 7 MB to 7 KB. So if everyone downloaded, then we'll close this session. Just put a yes message so we can close this session. So the Excel, whatever we have noted today, it is there in the chat box. You can download that. Anyhow, the video will be reaching to you. No problem.
So can you hear me?
Is it
Hello?
okay? Will I close? So the
Hello?
session is over. Just I'm waiting to get yourself to download this Excel, which is attached. Once it is done, the session will be closed.
Can you hear me, sir? Hello?
So that's it for the day. We'll meet
Hello?
up in the next session with the higher option, but the task is very clear. Make some logos, make some. Can you repeat the last topic? Okay, a last topic in this sense, we have done this radial art. This is what we are speaking about.
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay, fine. So here what we have done. So let us see on your screen. It was like this only. Till this okay. And we know this we have rotated 45 divided by 1, like 2 or something. Now we have selected all the things. We have copied the things and we have pasted the things. And here we have written 45 divided by 4. Why? Because already 2 rotation is over. So this is what we have done. And we have raised the thickness to recognize it a little more. That is only the things. Is it okay, Mr. Raj? Is it clear? Okay then. So I am stopping the screen now. It will not be visible. That's it for the day. Thank you.